Ready to ditch cable but still catch your favorite live shows on your LG Smart TV? This is how. First, grab your LG Magic Remote. We will be using this a lot. Then, navigate to the LG Content Store, usually represented by a shopping bag icon. Click on it to open the store. Once inside, look for the search bar. It is typically located at the top of the screen. Click it. Now, type in the name of a free streaming app like Pluto TV. There are tons of great free apps out there. Select Pluto TV from the search results, and then click the install button. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open the Pluto TV app. You'll see a list of free live channels, just like regular TV. Select a channel and start watching. You can also find live channels through the built-in LG channels. Check for the app called LG Channel Plus on your home screen. Open LG Channel Plus. This provides another selection of free and supported live channels. Scroll through the guide and find something to watch. Finally, explore subscription-based services such as YouTube TV, Sling TV, or Hulu Plus Live TV. These require a paid subscription but offer a wider range of channels. Download their respective apps from the LG Content Store like we did for Pluto TV. That's it. Now you can enjoy Live TV on your LG Smart TV without cable. Enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.